Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine with your family members. Student, in our previous video, we have studied about the use of basic proportionality theorem. And today we will solve some more problems based on the BPT or converse of BPT. So, to solve such problems, let us start with exercise 6.2, question number 9. Just read the statement of this. In this question, we have given that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB, this trapezium we have given, and in this trapezium, this line AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal AC and BD. These diagonals intersect each other at the point O. They intersect here at this point O. Then we have to show that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This thing we have to prove. So first of all, this is question number 9. Let us start the solution of this. Start from the given. Given is what? Here we have given that in this trapezium, in trapezium A, B, C, D. Here we have given AB is parallel to BC. This thing is given, and to prove, what thing we have to prove? We have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by D. This thing we have to prove. For this, we have to do some construction. What construction we will do? Just see. We will draw a line from O such that this line should be parallel to AB. Suppose ABCD, suppose this is any point E. So what construction we have did? We will write, draw a line from point O such that OE should be parallel to AB. This construction we have to do. Now let us start the proof. Student, when we will start the proof, first of all take the triangle in which OE and AB both line are exist. So we will take the triangle. You write in triangle ABD. Here what thing we are having? We are having OE is parallel to AB. Why it is so? If this thing is by construction, because by construction you have draw OE parallel to AB. Now student, you know it very well that in a triangle, the line, if this line is parallel to this line AB, then this EO will divide these other two sides in same ratio, and this is the result of theorem BPT. So here you have to apply the same, as EO is parallel to AB. Therefore, this ratio, that is, you can write DE or you can write AE upon DE is equal to what? BO upon D. And why it is so? Because by BPT. This is our first result. Now student, you know, now EO is parallel to what? AB, and this AB is parallel to what? DC. So this implies, just understand this result, here by construction you have draw EO parallel AB. but AB is already parallel to DC. What does it mean? It means EO will also be parallel to DC. So this implies this EO will be parallel to what? DC. Why it is so? Because lines parallel to the same line are parallel to each other. It is the result of this. Now here, now you take the triangle in which line EO and DC both exist. Now EO and DC, they exist in triangle ADC. So you can take this triangle now in triangle ADC. So what thing you are having here? You are having OEO is parallel to DC. This thing you have proved. So if they are parallel, then you can again apply the theorem BPT. If this thing is, if EO is parallel to DC, it means therefore this AE upon DE will be equal to AO upon CO. Why it is so? Again by BPT. This is result number 2. Now you compare these two results. Here BO by DO is equal to what? AE by DE. And AO by CO is also equal to what? AE by DE. It means in both the equation our left hand side is equal. So our right hand side will also be equal. So you write the same. You write from equation 1 and 2. What we will get? We will get BO by DO is equal to AO by C. Now here you can make cross multiplication. So when you will make cross multiplication, so you can write, or it will be AO into DO is equal to what? It is CO into BO. Now you have to just solve this. So when you will solve, what you will get? Now you transpose, you want AO by BO, so you transpose BO to this side and this DO to that side. So what you will get? Therefore AO by, when you will just transpose, here BO is multiplying, so when you will transpose, it will divide here. So AO by BO will be equal to CO by DO. And this is the result which you have to prove. So this is your answer. This is the answer of question number 9. Stand, let us again revise this question. Here in this question, we have given the trapezium ABCD. And in this trapezium, this line AD is parallel to DC. This thing is the given. Here we have to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. This thing we have to prove. And to prove this, we have made the construction here. What construction we have did? We have drawn a line EO or OE which is parallel to AB. This line we have drawn from point O. Now we have taken the triangle in which EO and AB both lines exist. So we have taken the triangle first ABD. In this triangle, EO is parallel to AB. Why it is so? It is by construction. And if this line is parallel to this, it means by BPT, it will divide other two sides in the same ratio. It means AE by DE is equal to BO by DO. Why it is so? Because by BPT. From any way you can write. Then secondly, now as EO is parallel to AB by construction, but AB is already parallel to DC, this thing is given. It means EO will also be parallel to DC. And if EO is parallel to DC, then take the triangle ADC. In this triangle, but we are having EO is parallel to DC. Because this thing you have proved here. And if this line is parallel to this, it means other two sides again divided in the same ratio. It means we can write AE by ED is equal to AO by CO. That we have written here. Now from these two equations, our LHS is same, therefore our RHS will also be same. And then we have make cross multiplication, and then by cross multiplication we get our required result. So this is question number 9. Stand now, let us start question number 7. Very small question it is. Start reading the statement. Book you are having. As we have started our class two months before, so all of you have purchased the book. So it will be better if you will start reading the statement yourself. Stand. In this question number 7, we have given that, just start reading, we have given here, using theorem 6.1, this is the statement of question number 7. Using theorem 6.1 means BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. Means you have given a triangle. Suppose this triangle you are having, name is not given, suppose you have taken the name yourself, ABC, and one line is there. Suppose this is line PQ. You again prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisect the third side. It means first of all you have to write the given. In this you have given in triangle ABC. What thing you are having? You are having P is midpoint of AB, and moreover this line PQ is parallel to BC. This thing is given. Now to prove, what thing you have to prove? To prove, what thing you have to prove? You have to prove that Q is midpoint of AC, or AQ is equal to QC. That thing you have to prove. For that, let us start the proof of this. You take triangle, you write in triangle ABC. What thing you are having? You are having PQ is parallel to BC. Why it is so? Because this thing is B. Now if PQ is parallel to BC, it means therefore AP upon BP will be equal to what? AQ upon QC or CQ. Anyway you can write. Why it is so? Because by BPT. This is equation number 1. Now, but you have given, but P is midpoint of what? Of AB. So therefore, if P is midpoint of AB, it means therefore this AP is equal to what? B. So now this implies equation 1 becomes, if you will put this value here, then this value equation 1 will become what? You can write it as AP upon in place of BP we can write AP. Why it is so? Because AP and BP are equal. So AP by AP is equal to what? It will be AQ by CQ. Here they are cancelled out by 1. Now transpose this CQ to this side. So this implies AQ is equal to CQ. And if AQ is equal to CQ, then this implies Q is midpoint of AC. So student, this is for the day. Thank you.